YouTube channel. Today I have an exciting dry skin care recipe that's going to leave your skins feeling absolutely radiant. We are making a homemade face mask using simple natural ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. So let's jump right in. Our star ingredients today are: first one is oats. These are the great exfoliations and soothing the irritated skin. Second one is honey. Know for the it is antibacterial properties. Honey help fight acne and it moisturize your skins. Third one is the most important ingredient is yogurt. It is packed with lactic acid. It generally exfoliated the skin as well as it absolutely brightens your skins. Fourth and the final ingredients what we want is turmeric powder. This has a very powerful anti-inflammation and antioxidant property for natural and glowing yellowish skins. Let's go for the preparations. To make this face mask, we start by taking below and combine 1/4 cup of oats, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of yogurt and pinch of turmeric. Don't add much more turmeric, just pinch of turmeric. Mix everything together until it gets a smooth paste. That's it, guys. Now you can apply the mask evenly in your clean face. Keep in mind, before apply this face mask, you should clean your face in proper way. Please keep your mind. You need to avoid applying this mask in your eye area. You can use your fingertip or any kind of beauty brush to apply this. And after application, you need to keep it your face up to 20 to 50 minutes. Let the magic happen.